Well, as a dad, sometimes it's much better to try and repair things. So here I am with this cheap plastic transporter truck. This front right wheel continues to fall off whenever being pulled and then going around corners. Only when you're going around corners. So I'm going to try using this German all-purpose adhesive. It works pretty well for other things, so I'm just going to give it a shot. It's a plastic wheel with a metal axle. The rod here is probably just a cheap metal. Okay, I made the mistake of squeezing the tube when I wasn't thinking about it when I squeezed it. So, hurry up and get the glue all over the axle. Hopefully that is going to do the job to keep him satisfied for a while. So time will tell. That's that. Now I just need to let it dry for, I don't know. Usually it takes 30 minutes. Come back for more. Simple repairs at home.